Hey everyone, today we're delving into a strategy based on the ATR indicator. Let's start. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make money off of binary options using a simple strategy based on the ATR indicator. This strategy is going to help you understand the market and analyze the market and understand where the price is going to go at any given moment. So if you want to make money today off of trading, watch this video carefully until the very end. So let's start off by adding the indicator. To do this, let's go to the indicator section and add the average true range. The ATR indicator is a technical indicator that measures the volatility of asset prices on the market. Now let's clear up how it works. Basically, we can see a line on the indicator, this one right here. When this line goes up, it means that the market volatility is increasing. If the line goes down, it means the market volatility is decreasing. However, if you only use this indicator alone, you won't be able to find indeed perfect entry points. Therefore, it is important to know the strategy of trading based on price levels. We only have two levels. There is a resistance level at the top. It's usually above, and a support level at the bottom. I hope it's clear so far, nothing complicated about it. Our task is to understand what will happen when the price approaches this level, a breakthrough or a pullback. Let's take a look at this chart piece right here. We can see that the price has approached the resistance level and bounced off of it real quick. How can we recognize it? Quite simply by looking at the ATR indicator and noticing that the volatility of the market is falling because the indicator's line is going down. When the market volatility drops, it tells us that the market does not have enough strength and power to break through this level. And, there will most likely be either a corrector retracement or a pullback. In this case, there was a pullback move, and let's see. Here's another situation. Let's see. At this moment, the price approached the resistance level, but this time the chart did manage to break it through. Yes, it is a false breakout, but the fact is the price has risen above this level. And now let's take a look at the ATR. As we can see, the ATR has risen during the level approach. Let's also look at the following examples with the support level. So, as we can see, the price has approached this level right here. If we take a glance at the ATR, we can see that the indicator has fallen as the price approached this level. This also shows us that the market does not have enough strength, it doesn't have the strength to break through this level, and there could be a pullback. And as we can see, the pullback has taken place actually. And another breakout example, let's see. Let's consider this chart piece right here. As we can see, the price broke through the support level at this point. And if we look at the ATR, we can see that it has risen. By the way, that's the reason why the level was broken here just as well. Now let's move on to trading and work with real examples. So I found the first situation. I'm placing the trade upwards for 1 minute. So in this case, I can see that the price has come to the support area. Moreover, as the market approached this level, I can see that the ATR started falling. This indicates that there will be a pullback to the upside from this level. So yeah, we will be making our trades based on this principle today. Let's see how it goes. By the way, look what a great motion we managed to capture. The price has even reached the resistance level. That's a really nice result, and I'm now certain this trade will succeed. Yeah, the trade closed at a profit. So I'm placing a trade upwards for 1 minute. In this case, I can see that the price has moved to the support level, Also, as it was approaching this area, I could see that the ATR dropped. This indicates that there will be a pullback from this level. By the way, this pullback has already started, and buyers have issued these candles with large downward shadows and small bodies, which, yeah, once again indicates a strong buyer's presence who will keep pushing the price higher. Let's observe. And look at the confident move that is taking place right now. I'm sure this trade is going to close successfully. The trade closed in a profit. Let's carry on. So I'm placing a 1 minute trade downwards. In this case, I can see that the price has reached the resistance area, but while it was approaching our level, the ATR was bearish. This indicates that there will likely be a pullback from this level. As confirming factors, I can note that there have been a lot of pullbacks from this level, which once again confirms its strength. Let me give you guys some piece of advice, by the way. Before you open trades, before you place your trades, you should always look for secondary factors that can confirm your entry point. These can include, candles, price levels, as well as the indicator's past performance. So yeah, it's very important. Our trade closed with a solid profit. Let's carry on. So I'm placing a trade downwards for 1 minute. In this situation, we can see that the price has approached the resistance area. At the same time, during that approach, we could see the ATR falling. This indicates that the price is likely to go down and make a pullback from this level. As confirming factors, I can see these candles with large upward shadows and small bodies, which again indicates a strong seller's presence. There's also a large number of pullbacks from there that, confirm the strength of this level. Our trade closed in a profit. So I found another great entry case, placing a trade upwards. In this case, the price has reached the support level. As it approached this level, the ATR was bearish. For this reason, we will probably see a pullback from this level. In addition to that, we have seen a large number of reactions to this level, confirming its strength. The second tip I want to give you guys is that you should be mindful of all the risks and always follow your risk management, because you will stumble upon a failed trade sooner or later, and you gotta be prepared for that in advance to either open a cover trade or pause for a little while. So the trade failed, but that's totally alright. I'm increasing the deal amount and placing a cover in one, since I wouldn't say ATR has grown any much ever since. So I'm certain there will be a pullback from this level, because judging by the ATR, the market doesn't have enough strength to break through the level at the moment. Let's see how it goes. And another piece of advice I would like to give you guys is that you should abstain from covering positions when you see the ATR starting to change direction. In that case, it's better to switch to another currency pair or take a break from trading at all. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me via the link in the description on my Telegram. Look at the strong motion that's occurring as we speak. This trade will obviously close successfully. And the trade closed in a profit. Let's make another one and sum things up a little bit. Want to know how true professionals increase their income? On my Telegram channel, I share keys to successful trades and real cases. Don't miss the chance to improve your skills and multiply your profits. The link is waiting for you in the description. So I found this case where I want to enter upwards. In this situation, the price is at the resistance level. Also, the ATR has risen during that level approach, which indicates that this level is likely to be broken. Also, look at the amazing momentum candles the buyers have issued. This confirms the strength of buyers' force insisting on pushing the price further up. If we look at the chart's history, we can see a nice uptrend where each successive high gets higher than the previous one, which once again confirms our entry point. As we can see, the level has already been updated. We captured a nice motion, and I think this trade will close in a profit. Let's see how it goes. Literally a few seconds are left. The trade is successfully closed, and let's sum things up at this point. Thanks to this seemingly simple strategy, we were able to increase our account balance 4 times. Guys, that's a truly impressive result. By the way, today I'm hosting a free trading session on my Telegram channel where you can copy my trades and make money with me. So if you want to make real profits, you can find the link to my Telegram channel in the description below this video. And now let's move on to withdrawing our money. In order to withdraw our money, we want to click on Finance and select Withdrawal. Now we enter the amount we want to withdraw, which is $800 in my case now. Then we enter the address of our withdrawal and the confirmation code. Our withdrawal request has been successfully created. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Wishing you huge profits only. Bye bye.